Air pollution such as dust, cigarette smoke, ashes from fires and car exhaust can irritate the eyes and make them red. Dry air lacking humidity can also irritate the eyes.
诸如灰尘、香烟烟雾、燃烧东西和汽车尾气产生的灰烬等空气污染会刺激眼睛并使它们发红。缺少湿度的干燥空气也会刺激眼睛。